Good morning and welcome to day 17 of my weight loss journey. So far I'm still consistent as far as how much I've lost. I'm right about 5 pounds. Yesterday was a good day for recovery. Today is potentially going to be a busy day. Could also be a really easy day. The reason I don't know is because it's supposed to be really snowy today. And if it snows bad enough, I might get to actually go home early and spend time with the family, which I'd be okay with that. Now, at this point, I have already fasted probably 19 hours, and I'm looking forward to eating right away when I get to work. I've already packed some good food to eat for the day. Athletics said I could work out a normal workload today. That's the first time I've seen that in a while, so clearly I've gotten some rest. Last night I actually got some really good sleep. Athletics still recommends I sleep more in order to get out of my sleep deficit, but I'm seeing an upward trend. I'm seeing a downward trend on my weight. So overall, it's gonna be a good day. Before we get too far into the video today, hit that like button quick and subscribe to the channel for me. Now let's get going. All right, I'm at work now. Let's see how the day goes and if I get to go home early. Well, it snowed and it's cold outside. Now time to drive home in the ice and slush. I don't think it'll be too bad, but we'll see how bad it is. Okay, so today I ended up getting 21 hours on my fast, which honestly felt pretty good. I probably could have made it to 24 hours, but there was food given to me while I was at work and I just couldn't help but have it. So far today I've had 1,700 calories, which should help me stay at my 800 calorie deficit. I plan on spending the rest of the evening with my family, watching movies, playing video games. I didn't end up going to the gym today because it was very snowy, and honestly after yesterday and the day before I definitely needed the rest. But tomorrow I should definitely be able to go to the gym, and my body should be primed and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and until next time, have a great day and God bless.